Greetings. I want to speak to you concerning how you should live every day of your life as if it is the last day. And the reason for that is because we do not know the day or the hour when we will depart from this body. You see, we are spirit and we are having a human experience, and the body is the house in which we live and operate. And that is why, if we can program our minds to live every day as if it is our last day, we become more productive. So this is basically an encouragement I'm giving to you to become more productive if you practice to think that way. So upon awaking in the morning, if you ask yourself, if this is the last day of my life, what are some of the things I would like to do before I leave? The same thing at night. You see, for example, when they have criminals and they're gonna, like, say, hang them, give them the deadly injection, they normally ask them before they leave what are their wishes, what they would like to have. Okay, and they're doing that so that they can do something conscious and deliberate that would make them feel good just before they leave. And so too, you don't want to leave an unfinished work on this planet. You want to know that you do all that you believe that you have the potential to do. You want to be well satisfied with your service and your contribution to humanity. So my brother and my sisters, in short, okay, I'm encouraging you to use this technique to help you to be more productive, just by thinking as if it is the last day you have to live, and you're going to do the things that are going to definitely make you feel good and make you leave here knowing that you have done a good job. So use it as a motivation key. Use it to help to encourage you to do what you are to do, because self-discipline is not so easy. Self-mastery is not so easy. So there are certain little things that we can definitely do to help to be more productive. Okay, so basically that is what I want to really bring across to you, and I want to make it short before the night comes in, because you'll be hearing all of the chopping of the night creatures and so on. So I want to make this one short. But my encouragement to you is to live every day as if it is your last day on this planet. Live it purposefully. Live it bountifully. Live life to the fullest, because it is short. Be the best you can be. Live the best version of yourself. And if you're listening to me, I've been giving you keys after keys to live your life the right way, because imagination is what creates reality. And I've been teaching you that God in man is man's imagination. I've been teaching you how to use your imaginative, creative self so that you can live your life whichever way you want it to be. So apply the power and live your life the way that you think is beneficial to you and to the rest of humanity. So with that being said, I want to thank you very much for listening to me. I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you listen to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense to you and if it really resonates with you and you have a subscriber already, definitely want to encourage you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share this video. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, you can follow me at Black Mad Guru, and I want to encourage you to check out my course, The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously, and that is for people donating $20 or more on my Patreon. And also you can become a part of my Patreon community. Also, you can support my books, and you can get the 66 books of magic, the Overcomer's Bible, which is the Know Jesus Bible, with the blank space for you to write your name, which is I am. Also, if you want a one-on-one, or you want to do some mentoring, coaching, you can reach out to me, okay, by way of email. But whatever you desire, all of the links are down below. So I will definitely encourage you to check out all of the links that are down below, and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, and out.